What's up you guys, how y'all doing? So this is more or less like an introductory video to what my channel entails. As the name implies, OdogwuFX, what I basically do here is that I'm going to be sharing trading insights, trading ideas, anything that is trading related. I'm going to be giving that and much more, all for free. You don't have to pay a dime, right? You don't have to pay anything. So I also have my Telegram group. The link, I'm going to attach the link to the description box so that if you're interested, you can join and then we learn together. So the whole goal, the whole aim is to build a community where traders like me and you can relate, share ideas and get to improve on our craft. So if you like what I'm doing, if you like the content I'm sharing, if you like my trading setups and how I trade, I would admonish each and every one of you to, subscribe to my channel, and also join my Telegram channel. So thank you everyone for your time, and that will be all for now.